The nomination is definitely weighing on my mind. I'm thinking about it a lot. I don't know everyone well enough. I don't like doing it. I don't think making this decision will be easy, but it's a game, and you gotta do something just to stay alive. It's a game, and I'm just going on gut instinct just to stay alive. Hey everyone, it's time for the nomination ceremony. It was really a lot harder than I thought it would be. What I'm going to do is take the first key out, and I will tell that person they are safe. I will pass it down, and they will do the same with the next key. When all the keys have been pulled, the 2 house guests without a key are nominated for eviction. Here we go.
Danielle, yours.
Yeah.
Kathy, you're safe.
Thank you, Rachel. Janelle, you're safe.
Brandy, you're safe.
Thank you, Keisha.
Kalia, you are safe.
Thank you.